Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to understand about the top or limit in a SQL. So where actually we use the top or limit. So this generally we use, suppose you have one requirement. Suppose you have one table. In that table you have a 1 millions of the records. Now you want to check the data, how actually your data looks like, how actually your schema looks like. Okay, so instead of querying the whole 1 million records, what actually you will do first, you will only query the first 10 records or the first 5 records to see all your data. Okay, so in that kind of the scenario generally we use a top or limit. Okay, so for taking example, suppose you want to get only the first 3 records, or you want to check the last 3 records, you want to check the top 3 highest salary of the employee, if you want to see top 3 employee from the India region. So this kind of the scenario generally whenever you have to solve, you will go for the top or limit in a SQL. For taking example, we have a certain query. Let us try to understand this from this particular example. I have one employee table. In that table I have a 8 record. Okay, my first query is saying like how to get only the first 3 records from a table. If you have to write this kind of the query, if you want to get only the first 3 records, if you want to see only the top 10 records, if you want to see top 1000 records, in that kind of the case we use a top command in a SQL server. How actually we can write? Select top. If you want to see 3 record, right, top 3 star from employee. Okay, if I will execute this, you will only be able to see the top 3 records. Only the 3 records, first 3 records only you will get to see, which is available in the table. Okay, so this is for the SQL server. But when you are using a MySQL, right, where actually you have to write select star from employee and the limit 3. If you will write like this in a MySQL, this will work the same like this only. Okay, but SQL server we use a top, but in a MySQL we use a limit. That you have to remember. Okay, now let us see another query. If you want to get the 50% record from a table. Okay, so I have one table, employee table. If I will show you, this is my employee table. Okay, I have a 8 records. Now my requirement is like how to get 50% records from the table. Okay, so in that kind of case also we can use a top. So what I will write, top 50% star from employee. Okay, top 50% star from a employee. If I like, if you will execute this, I will get the 4 records. I have a total 8 records. If I will write top 50%, I will get the 4 records. If I write the 25, means I will get only the 2 records. 2 records. Okay, so like this actually we can use it. Okay, now my third query is like write a query to get the top 2 highest salary of employee. Okay, so I have this table. Okay, in this table I want to get the top 2 highest salary of employee. You can see we have a salary column. What actually we want to do, I want to fetch those record the top 2 highest salary of an employee. Okay, how actually I can get that? First I want to sort this data, right? How actually we can sort this data? I will use order by salary and the descending. If I will write like this, so the whole table will get sorted based on the descending order, right, from highest to the lowest. Now I want to get only the top 2. Okay, if I will write the top 2 here, I will get the top 2 highest salary of employee, right, who are earning more. Okay, so that is how actually we can solve this question. You can see the highest salary of the record is like ID 5 and the 2, Ani and the 3. Okay, so if you have a requirement where you want to get the top 3 highest salary of employee, if you want to get the top 3 employee whose earning is more, okay, in that kind of the case we generally use like this. Okay, the same kind of the query, if you want to get the bottom 2 salary, bottom 2 people whose salary is very less, so how actually you can write a query for that? So I have this table. Okay, I want to get the bottom 2 salary of employee. How actually I can that? So what I will do, first I will try to sort the data based on the ascending order by salary ascending. If I will write, my whole table will get sorted based on the lowest salary to the highest. Okay, I want to get the top 2 records whose earning is less. If I will write top 2 star, so it will show only the top 2 records where the salary is very less. You can see 10,000 and 20,000 and the name is A and the Rahul. Okay, so whenever you have a requirement where actually you want to get the top 2 highest salary of employee, top 2 records you want to fetch, top 5 records you want to fetch, top 10 records you want to fetch, in this kind of the case we generally use a top command. Okay, and one more query, query to get the top 2 records from India based on the salary. Okay, so I have on this table. If I will show you, this is my employee table. What is my requirement? To get the top 2 records from my India based on their salary. Okay, so if I want to get the records from India, what I will write? I will write the where condition, where location is equal to the India. Okay, if I write like this, where location equal to India, if I will execute this, you will be able to see only the India records. Okay, based on their salary, top 2 highest salary only records I want to fetch. So what I will do, I will try to sort this data, order by salary descending. Okay, if I will write like this, the whole table will get sorted based on the salary. You can see highest salary is Sri, then Manish, then the Rahul. Okay, I want to get only the top 2 highest salary from India, so I will write the top 2. Now after that, if I will execute, the whole table will I will get the requirement what actually being asked. Okay, so that is how actually we solve. I hope you got it, and that's it in this video.